It has so much flavor with the meat, with all the spices that I added, ginger, garlic paste, all the smoked paprika and turmeric, and the salad, guacamole, everything mixed together. So good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margurita from my lifestyle journals. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipe, which is low carb keto whole food taco bowl that doesn't have any rice, doesn't have any beans, but it's still flavorful, still yummy, and it will keep you full for a couple of hours. So in between your meal, you do not have to go for snacking after eating this bowl. So many of you know that I have lost 20 pounds in just 4 months eating low carb keto. After that, I just eat low carb and whole food. So that helped me to lose my baby weight, and also following these recipes, following this kind of lifestyle helped many other moms to lose their weight. So I stick with that. This helps me. Obviously, you will have occasionally having your favorite food, but also I maintain my lifestyle with intermittent fasting and here and there doing 24-hour fast or eating just whole food and mobility. So when I was in my weight loss journey for 4 months, I did not go for any gym or any exercise. Just eating low carb keto helped me to lose 20 pounds. But I do appreciate if you love to exercise, if you love to go to gym, you do that. And I'm not so much gym person, but I do move my body a lot and I love to have that mobility. So yes, 80% of the time it's your food and 20% of the time is your mobility, your movement, your exercise. So today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipe, that is keto low carb taco bowl. I'm sorry for the sound, my son is in the background, so he is having fun with his game. So let's begin to this recipe. All right, let's go. So first of all, you need to have a pan, warm pan, and then add your oil. Here I am going to use avocado oil. Actually this is olive oil, so you can use avocado oil as well. Most of the time I use avocado oil, and now today I don't have avocado oil, so you can also use olive oil. So when your oil is warm enough, then you add your onions. Then salt, and let it fry. So you need to stir it until it gets brown. Also, I'm going to add some jeera. This looks like this. If you go to any Indian shop or any grocery store is carrying this jeera, that you can call it cumin seed, my mom is saying. So yes, you will find it in any grocery store. So fry it well before you put your ground beef. When I will put ground beef, then I will put all my spices. So now it looks golden brown. So now it's time for all seasoning. I can go for taco seasoning, but in this video I want to use my own seasoning. So I'm going to use ginger garlic paste, and then stir it. You can paste ginger garlic at home, also you can buy from the store. You can add a little bit of water when oil is too hot, because it can burn you. Sometimes it is frying so hard and then come to your skin. So I add a little bit of water to calm it down. But if you can fry it with oil, that's better. I think I will need more ginger garlic paste. I just eyeball things, that's why every recipe has different measurement. So now I'm going to use turmeric. I use turmeric each and every meal. Coriander powder. And chili powder. A little bit of chili powder because we don't eat that much spice at home. No one eats that much spice in our home. This is garam masala for meat, and one of my favorite spice is paprika. This makes my dish so beautiful. So then I need a little more water to cook these spices. Stir it very well, and you do not have to stir all of the time while cooking, but on and off you have to stir, so then it will not burn. And when it comes up on the oil, when you can see the oil is coming up, then you know it's the time for your meat. Sometimes you can also do like straight put your meat on the stove, and then when it's almost cooked, then you add your spices. But today I wanted to cook my spices first, then I will add my ground beef. Now this will cook by itself now. So when you are seeing your sauce is coming up on the oil, you can see the oil is coming up like this. So you know that it's the time that you can add your next step. So next step is I'm adding my ground beef. It's organic ground beef from Costco. I have 2 blocks here for my whole family. This is not too hard to make. It's so simple ingredients and super healthy meal, and so accessible. Like you can have ground beef anywhere pretty much, and you can cook it at home and keep it for your next meal. You can store it, make a batch, and you can eat in different way. You can have one day taco, you can have like a wrap, or if you eat rice, you can have this in with your rice. It's versatile. So now I'm adding water so then the meat cooks well, and I will stir it to break it down. I will use my favorite tool like this to chop it and make small pieces, so then it cooks inside very well. Then you cover it for maybe 5 minutes, then come back. I come back after 5 minutes. It's so steam up here. You can see this. So it's still cooking. I need more time to cook this ground beef, so the water will reduce and the oil will come up. So that's the time you will know it's cooked. And in between I will check the spices. If I need more salt or spices, and we'll add later. But in this one it's good. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. It looks almost finished. When you see the oil is coming up, and when you taste the meat, you feel that it's enough salted, enough seasoned and cooked. So then it's time that you can turn off your stove after stirring. But I want to finish it up with 2 more spices that I love, which is called cumin powder. In the very beginning you saw I used the cumin seed, and now I'm going to use the cumin powder. That gives a more taste for meat. Usually I use this for meat, and also some parsley flakes. I hope this is enough, so stir it again very well. I can smell all the flavor. I can smell this yumminess. I wish you can smell it too. It looks so good and so yummy. I cannot wait to taste it with my bowl with salad and some other materials, other food. Okay, so it's finished, it's done. I just turn off the stove and put it down from my stove. So it looks like this. In the video maybe it looks dry, but it's not. It has moist inside still, so that I like to have. I do not like dry meat. I like to have a juicy meat, so it has good juice inside, if you can see that. So I'm going to make my taco bowl, low carb taco bowl. So now my ground beef is cooked. So I'm going to assemble everything in this bowl. All my veggies are here and cheese, and I have a garlic sauce. Also have guacamole from Costco. So I'm going to put everything here and we'll show you how it looks like. So first I want to take a little bit of ground beef that I just cooked in a side, like a palm size of my hand, so that much. And then we're going to add my veggie here, all this lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and some onion. I love onion. I might need a little more salad. And then I'm going to add my sauce, not garlic sauce, this is the guacamole, all here in the middle, so it will be easier for me to mix. This guacamole, you actually can make it at home also. If you buy avocado, and you can make it at home easily. So to make my life easier, I have guacamole that is pre-made, and now I'm going to add some shredded cheese on the top. That's it. Look at this. It's so easy and flavorful. I'm going to add some garlic sauce. Also, if you have avocado mayo, I do have, so I might have to grab that one. So this looks like this, and it is so nice, yummy. So my ground beef taco bowl is ready. I am so excited to taste it. Let's taste it with this veggie. It has so much flavor with the meat, with all the spices that I added, ginger, garlic paste, all the smoked paprika and turmeric, and the salad, guacamole, everything mixed together. So good. If you want, you can add some boiled sliced egg on the top to make it more, to have more protein into it, but I'm okay with this now. I love this. So if you like this kind of video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. That will help me, motivate me to make more recipe like this, low carb, whole food, keto, paleo style food that I love to eat. So I will make more video. Write your comment, what do you think about this recipe? And if you have any friends or family that who wants to lose weight in a healthy way with whole food, low carb, share my channel. And also if you like to have my e-guide where I explained how I lost 20 pounds in just 4 months, I have this in my description box, that ebook. So that has step-by-step guide that what I have done and how I did it, and still now I use that, still now I follow my e-guide, and many others also following that. So this is so helpful. So share that, go get it, and share my channel with your friend, and have a wonderful day, wonderful night, and I will see you in my next video. And thanks for coming, thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you later.